Admire. Admire. She admired the beautiful sunset last evening. He admires his teacher for her dedication. They will admire the artwork when they visit the museum. Achieve. Achieve. He achieved his goal after months of hard work. She achieves success through consistent effort. You will achieve great things if you stay focused. Analyze. Analyze. The scientist analyzed the data carefully. I analyzed the results of each test to improve. We will analyze the situation before making any decisions. Assist. Assist. The team assisted the coach during the game. She assists her mother with household chores. They will assist us in completing the project. Amuse. Amuse. The Joker amused the children at the party. The comedian amuses the audience with his jokes. This movie will amuse everyone who watches it. Appreciate. Appreciate. She appreciated the kind gesture from her friend. He appreciates the beauty of nature every day. They will appreciate your help when they realize its importance. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. He acknowledged his mistake and apologized. She acknowledges the hard work of her team. They will acknowledge your achievements at the ceremony. Attend. Attend. He attended the meeting yesterday. She attends the online class regularly. We will attend the concert next week. Arrange. Arrange. She arranged the books neatly on the shelf. He arranges his schedule carefully to balance work and life. We will arrange a meeting to discuss the project. Apply. Apply. He applied for a job at the company last week. She applies sunscreen before going outside. I will apply for a scholarship next year. Adapt. Adapt. The animals adapted to the changing environment. She adapts quickly to new situations. We will adapt our plans based on the weather. Acquire. Acquire. He acquired new skills through the training program. She acquires knowledge by reading books daily. We will acquire more customers with this strategy.